In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and edit your photo gallery within our builder. So there's two types of photo galleries that people like. They are the pop-up ones, just like this, and this is called the Lightbox pop-up. And then there's the other one where you could click on it and it goes to a page with that photo and maybe a description where people could comment. I'm going to show you how to make both of these within the builder. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go into the page that you want to create the photos in and click Page Builder. So let's do that right now. Once you get that loaded up, we have some content right over here. If you just go to Templates up on the top right and go to Content Pages, and you could actually load sample photo content by clicking this, and this will load up this right here, this area, and it gives you, if you click on it, it gives you a sample feed of imagery right here, and this is just for the pop-up. If you want to edit that, all you have to do is change this to media library and upload your own, and it's pretty simple. And then there's other options that you could change on here. If you don't want this all together like a pop-up and you want to add your own imagery, you could simply do that by adding content right here, and it's going and go to Advanced Modules and go to Photos, or maybe it's about that. There it is, under Basic, sorry, and Photos, and you would just drag this in to the area that you would want. And here you would just add like a photo. So let's just add like maybe some sample photos to this. I'm going to add this one, and right there, select that. And it's going to add this to there, and it will pop up just like this, some big photo and stuff right there. You could also change the sizes on this to make it different. And the other thing you want to do, if you want to make it more like collage-like, like this, then you could add content right here. Go to Row Layout, and let's just say I want a 3 across. Okay, so I would go to my row layouts, go to 3 across here, drag that in, and you get these columns right there. Once you get the columns, you can imagine what I'm going to do. I'm going to drag this photo in here. Thing in there, it's going to ask me, well, what kind of photo you want, and I'm just going to go ahead and click a photo, sample photo in here, just like so. And as you can see, it places itself like that. Even though it's 1,000 width, I could change that. It places itself in there, and then from here you could go ahead and add other options, styling options and stuff like that on here, and save this photo just like that. And you could also link the photo, and I'll show you how to do that in a bit. So that's how you add the photo. Now there's another way to add it and link the photo. So we won't use the photos right there to link them. We'll use this other linking tool. But if you just wanted this and you just saved this, and I'm going to publish this right now, this is what it would do. Nothing would happen if you click on it. It's just a static photo right there. So let's make a photo that you can link to, and it will go to a page. So this is a static one, and this is a pop-up Lightbox one. So let's make one that goes to another page. All right. So let's go ahead and click on the Page Builder again. Let that load up, and delete this photo right here. And I'm just going to go to Basic, and I'm actually just going to add a text editor right here in there, just like that. And I'm going to go, and you could add a photo just like this in the text editor. So I'll just add this one right here, and it adds it there. Then you could click on this, and you could link it. There's a little link here to the page that you already created. So you have to create a page for this, but once you do, you just click on this, and it will go to that specific page. Right now it's just going to that image page right here. It just automatically defaults to go to the image page. So what does that mean? It'll show you just the image itself and not a page. So let me show you what that means. So I have one photo there and I could add more. And I'm going to press done, publish. And if I click on this, it's just going to take me to this image like this. It's a page within this, so it just does this light box kind of thing. But we want to send it to another page. So what we should do is we should go up to the top and press new page, and I'm just going to make this a new tab so I could oscillate between this page and the new tab, so I could go back and forth. And I'm going to say just sample image, just like that. And I'm going to use the page builder because it's just so easy. And I'm going to open that up. And I'm going to do blank. And I'm going to pull in a photo. Oops, let's do that again. Pull in a photo one. And you could use photo or you could use text to this. Doesn't matter. And let's make it the same photo as that. So I'm going to go ahead and find that same photo. Was it this one? Oh no. It was, where is it? Where is it? It's the mountains. I think it's that one. And no, it's not. It's that one. Alright, so I got that one in there. And I'm going to press save. So there it is right there. And then you could add in, let's say you wanted to add in a text under this or something. And you wanted to add content, maybe some kind of description or something like that to this right here. So you could also add this. So I'm just going to put sample text right there, press save. And if I wanted to, I could even add a heading right here to the top. And I'll just put in like sample photo. And I like to center my stuff, so I'm going to go to Style and Center. And there you have it. That's the photo. And of course you can make it bigger, but you want it like symmetrical with the end of the logo typically, you know, just like that. And it does that for you. It doesn't put it outside the lines on that because you want it to look good on mobile. You want it to shrink in and stuff like that on there. So that's what you want. So once you're done with that, press done. Publish changes, and you're going to get a URL link up here. I just put sample photo, so I'm going to copy this URL link, and I'm going to go back to this area, and you can imagine what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to the builder, and I'm going to click on this text editor area, click on that, go here, and I'm going to delete their sample one and update. Now you can make it open a new window, or you can make it just go to directly to that page. And I'm going to press save, and I'm going to press done, publish settings, and let that reload. There it is right there, and it should go, if I did it correctly, to that page. There you go, right there with some of that. You could add text, you could add different rows or different columns, should I say, down here. Also, you could up here somewhere, you could add a text module that says back, and you could go make them go back to the portfolio area, or they could just click the top right there. So that's how to add those. And if I wanted to, I could just actually duplicate this right here. And let's just duplicate that right now. And I'm going to drag this over here, and let's duplicate this again. And this is how it would look if I just added a bunch of pictures. And of course I could click on it and change this picture by going to my media library and choosing a different picture like that. Press save. Obviously I'm going to have to update that link that goes to that picture, but that's that. So you press done, publish changes, and there you have it. Now you can make this row and you can make other rows below it, and that's how you do that. Okay? Hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any other questions about making galleries or creating your site.